rained a lot last night. I've spotted a heap of valleys around here. Look at this one. It's just, I can't see half of it because of this bloody cloud, but unbelievable. This, oh shit, there's fire ants here. This is freaking awesome. They've warned of fire ants in the valley. I've got to watch out. I was told to flick them away, but I'm hoping they're less active in rain. So I saw this waterfall yesterday, Vallée de Pou, which I could easily translate as Stink Valley. So the locals have given me indications. They've been really helpful on this one and let me go as far as I could. Best that I didn't go any further. And there's this waterfall I could see from the side of the coastal road, and I'm going up there now. I don't think it's too far. The previous one took me 2 kilometers. I think this is 1. So I found this cabin here. I might go have a look and see what the views are like. Probably disgusting. They've maintained this piece of grass for us, but I'm loving it because, oh my god, look at that. Got a bit of a better view here. My god, this is thumping. It's fucking awesome. Even better view. That is better than Tahiti. Wow. Again, they're tapping into the water source here. Maybe hydraulic, who knows. Getting closer. How awesome is this? Would have been helped by pretty decent rains last night. Just for making the effort. Going a little bit off the road here. And that's what I get. French have been doing stuff around both of these things. Wow. Man, this is fucking awesome. 9 minutes to get here and not even pushing it hard. Look at this little overhang here. Awesome. This is the best waterfall I've seen all day. Unbelievable. And it helps the amount of rain we had last night. I heard a few torrentials. Unbelievable. I keep standing here thinking the power, the size, it is freaking awesome. And then it looks out towards the beach. Unbelievable. Putain, ça pète sa mère. Fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. Because it's been raining a lot, I didn't catch this one here. A little one. That and that. Somewhere on the South Pacific Island. Sitting out there staring at the surf. Goodbye. Unbelievable.